It's over there.
Hey. Jay, come here!
Hey, look. What's that?
Yeah, man.
Do you remember what that's for? What are you getting a bike for? That's right.
Yeah.
Get on it!
You're a big boy now.
Yeah, Tony Hawk bike.
Oh, that's nice. That's nice.
Nice little bike.
Yeah.
Hi, guys. What's wrong? Hot?
Turn it, you gotta turn it, Jay!
You gotta learn how to ride it.
Uh-huh.
You doing it?
No, but you can borrow his sometimes if he says yes, okay? Notice he didn't get a bike because what?
I know he's got nuts. Come on, man. Come back. Okay.
Go ahead. And you know how to turn it, right, Jay? You look good.
Big bike now. You got a big boy bike.
I've been
Come
with
on,
my bike
what's
in
it?
years. Over years. And I still don't know how to turn.
There you go.
Go on.
Is it on a hard? Does it got gears?
Yeah. Oh, no, it doesn't have gears.
Oh, okay.
All right, well, I'm out. I'm going. Never.